I will now be showing a more in-detail demonstration of my wireless remote control car. The car is able to drive forward, backwards, and make turns. The car's driving mechanism is controlled through a motor driver, which controls the four 6-volt DC motors. The motor driver is controlled through our atmega, which receives the signals via Bluetooth from our controller. The controller sends my inputs from the 2-axis joysticks or the buttons. If I want to drive the car forward or backwards, the signal is received and sent to the atmega, and the atmega sends the correct inputs to the motor driver, which sends the correct voltage to the 4 motors to allow the car to move in the direction I want. If I want the car to turn, I have programmed the atmega to send the signal to the motor driver to either have the right wheels drive forward and the left wheels drive backwards, or the left wheels drive forward and the right wheels drive backwards, depending on which way I want to turn. This creates the turning. The car is also equipped with an IR sensor. If the IR sensor detects something, it sends a signal to the atmega, which sends a signal to the motor driver to stop the motors completely. I will now demonstrate. The car is able to drive right now, but when the IR sensor hits and detects the collision, the car can no longer drive no matter what inputs I send. Once the object is removed, the car is able to drive like normal. The car also has a servo motor controlling a crane. When the correct inputs are sent from the buttons, the crane moves up or down. This is used to pick up or tow heavy objects. The car is also equipped with a horn. The horn is controlled through these 2 buttons. When both buttons are pressed, it sends the signal and the car horn turns on